Hi. Last group of operators we will see is assignment operators. These are also binary operator, which means these work on two operands. The first one equal sign, OPR1 equals OPR2 means assign the value of OPR2 to OPR1. We have already seen this operator. Let's see. If I write like this, int I1 equals to 10, this statement creates a memory location of type int. Its name is I1 and the initial assigned value is 10. Now if I write I1 equals to 20, this statement means assign new value to I1. Delete the old value and assign a new value to I1, which is 20. So we had already seen this example. We will now see rest of the operators. Plus equals OPR1 plus equals OPR2 means assign the value of OPR1 plus OPR2 to OPR1. This statement is same as if we write OPR1 equals to OPR1 plus OPR2. Assign the result of OPR1 plus OPR2 to OPR1. Minus equals OPR1 minus equals OPR2 means assign the result of OPR1 minus OPR2 to OPR1. Asterisks equal OPR1 asterisk equal OPR2 means assign the result of OPR1 asterisk OPR2 to OPR1. Division equals OPR1 division equals OPR2 means assign the result of OPR1 divided by OPR2 to OPR1. And finally, modulo equals means assign the result of OPR1 modulo OPR2 to OPR1. Let us now see an example to understand this. So over here we have variable I1, which is of integer type. The name of this variable is I1. The initial value that we have assigned is 100. Now this is the first operator, the assignment operator, 100. This operator will assign 100 to I1. Print the value of I1, you will get 100 at this location. Now the first expression is I1 plus equals to 1, which means I1 equals to I1 plus 1, which is equals to current value of I1 is 100 plus 1, which is equals to 101, and I'm assigning 101 to I1. So change the value in the memory, make it 101. And at this point, when we are printing using system.out.println, this will print as 101. The second expression, I1 minus equals to 2, which means I1 equals to I1 minus 2, which is equals to current value of I1 is 101 minus 2, which is equals to 99, which means assign 99 to I1. At this line, when you are printing I1, you will get 99. Third expression is, which means I1 equals to I1 multiplied by 3, which is equals to current value of I1 is 99 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 297. Assign 297 to I1, 297 over here, and if you will print at this line, you will get 297. Fourth expression is I1 division sign equals 4. This expression means I1 equals to I1 divided by second operand, which is 4. This means 297, the current value of I1 divided by 4, which is equals to 74. So this means assign 74 to I1. This will assign 74. Then the final expression, I1 modulo sign equals 5, which means I1 equals to I1 modulo 5, which means I1 equals current value of I1 is 74 modulo 5, which means I1 equals to 4. So this means assign 4 to I1. Assign 4 to I1. This will print 4. This will print 74. So let us now verify the output. The first one is 100, second one is 101, third one is 99, fourth one is 297, fifth one is 74, and the last one is 4. With this, we have come to an end. See you in the next lecture. Till then, happy coding.